It's that time again for another EuroAsian buy.
Oh man, we appreciate you.
Not urination.
Thank you for that too.
It doesn't say that up here.
Yes, thank you. EuroAsian.
EuroAsian Bob, yes. We're gonna take a look at a few of his cars today. He's gonna show me around. He's got cars all over the place, really sweet cars. And I'm gonna buy one today.
Really?
So,
coming to shop to buy another car?
Yes.
Well, you've been a fantastic customer. We just always appreciate your business and the reciprocation of the wonderful work you do.
yep. So let's take a look. So what's the story on this one here, Bob?
I just got this in. It was a new car dealer trade. It's a 98 SL500 with about 99,000 miles on it. Just a really fun car. You see the D tags on it. I've been driving this one, so I don't even have it listed yet. One we just got in.
It's got sweet wheels on it.
Yeah, nice wheels, and it's got the rare panoramic hardtop, which is really cool.
I can see his glass up there.
Really cool feature on the car.
All right, let's
nice running and driving car.
let's see what else you got.
Yeah, take a look.
An Audi A6.
Yep, just a nice, just a good mid-size, sedan here.
Yeah.
Quattro, just your good basic, it's nothing super fancy or anything like that, just good transportation.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we always like to have just some good working school cars.
I'm not much into Audis that much, so let's see what else you got. I'm kind of thinking about the Mercedes.
Such a nice car here. Volvo S60 T5.
A T5?
Yeah, these are really very comfortable. And remember I had that XC90 that you did. The newer generation of Volvos are really contenders with the best cars out there. This car gets like over 30 miles to the gallon.
Wow.
Yeah, and super comfortable. Lots of nice tech in it too.
And a Lincoln MKS.
Yeah, why not? I mean, a good car is a good car, right?
Is this the 2.0 turbo or?
Yes, this is the 6-cylinder.
Oh, the 6-cylinder.
All-wheel drive MKS.
All right.
So yeah, it again, there are a lot of car for the money.
It's a Mercedes SLK.
Exactly, SLK 320 with a different skin. I mean, this is kind of a polarizing body style. People either love these or they hate these. Personally, I think they're neat.
They're a neat car, yeah, they really are.
I would love to find the SRT version with the supercharger.
Oh, wow.
But I've had a lot of Crossfires. I really enjoy driving them. They're unique, and they're fun, and they're comfortable, and they drive great.
Oh my God, is that a cabriolet?
Yeah, check that out. I just got that in. Here's the two matching
oh, wow.
944s. I love 944s.
Let's take a look at these.
Yeah, this is the 3-liter twin cam.
Oh, wow.
215 or 17 horse. So, this is kind of the last evolution. Very, very peppy, very fun car. And then that's the turbo behind it.
How do you find these cars? What's your secret?
Searching, hard work.
It's kind of like KFC.
Secret.
It's kind of like KFC. Keep the secret.
We got the recipe locked up in the vault.
Yeah. I've seen this one before.
Yeah, you've worked on this. This is kind of really one of my personal cars, and yeah, you've done a lot of great work to this, and it's just a wonderful driver.
This thing is fast.
It is a turbo, and then you put that Turbo Smart boost controller on there. Yeah, it's a lot of fun. I just love this car. That one's really probably on the not for sale list.
Not for sale list?
Not for sale list, yes sir.
Let's take a look at some of your really sweet cars that are hidden away.
Yeah, we got some stuff tucked away. Let's take a look.
All right.
Well, will you be trading this beautiful Maserati in today, Mrs. Wizard?
No.
Becky might like to take that as a hand-me-down. No Maserati, yeah?
No trading on the Maserati
sorry,
today.
Becky, I tried. Well, Wizard, you know this car very well, right?
Yes, this thing is very nice.
You've made this car fantastic. I mean, when I got it, it had so many issues, and the carburetor, and just maintenance stuff.
Yeah.
But man, you sure have sorted it out for me, and it's just a turnkey driver right now.
What's your asking price on this thing?
It's on my website for like $29.
Yeah, $29. Okay.
And that's probably about what it's worth, but it's one that I'm in no hurry to sell. That's for sure. And then some kind of cool stuff in here. We got a 50,000 mile little XJS convertible we just got in.
Oh wow.
Yeah, I don't have that really listed for sale yet. A couple little things that we're finishing up on it, but
I've done a few videos on these.
Yeah, this is a really nice one. I kind of really enjoy driving this car. It's such a comfortable. I love the old Jaguars. There's nothing there. Just have that heavy, solid ride.
Yeah. And this one we did a video on.
Yeah. You've sure helped me a lot on both the Conquest and the Starion.
Yeah.
With the the manifold problem on every one of these. But yeah, this is kind of a long-term project. It needs some stuff, but it's a fun, nice car. Just one we'll kind of slowly resurrect with your help and some of our own doing.
Very cool.
And then behind you,
the Capri.
You're familiar with this car too.
Yes, I've seen that one.
Yeah, when you rebuilt the carburetor on this car, I mean, it just transformed the car. And then now I hit the throttle pedal once and twice, and it just runs perfect. Love that car. We keep it in here. You're obviously covered up.
Yeah.
And then there's my above you there, Miss Wizard. We got the '83 DeLorean. You haven't seen this DeLorean?
No, I haven't seen that one.
This one you worked on my '82, and you did a really good job of sorting it out. And I sold the '82, but this is an '83 with 12,000 miles. Actually, when you get some free time, I actually need to bring it down to you and have you do some maintenance on it.
Wow.
But yeah, you'll really get a kick out of it. How many of these DeLoreans are really ratty and stuff?
Most of them are,
remember Tyler's and everything? Mm-hmm. When you get this one, you might actually love to work on it because it is absolutely mint condition. Survivor.
Very cool.
Yeah. And then over here in the barn, we've got some other interesting things.
Let's go check out the barn.
We need to go for a ride, David.
Yeah.
You got you another Harley, I see, right?
Yeah.
All right. Well, we need to go turn some corners.
Yeah. Wait a minute. What is the story on this little thing?
Oh, well, this is an interesting story. It's a 54 Cushman Eagle. And I mean, look, even the original saddlebags, it is so cool. It's been restored, obviously. But this came from the same people that got the Bug Eye from, Tyler's Bug Eye.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, the same people. And this little guy, I bought 3 cars from him. And they're like, oh, well, what else do you have? And they're like, oh, we got this. And I'm like, I saw that. And I bought it and threw it in the back of the truck. And also, it is just super duper deep.
It looks like a miniature little Harley or something.
It does, it reminds me of like a little Indian or something.
Yeah, that's right.
But check this out though, it's just such a neat little guy right here. You just go and that's it.
Started right up.
Isn't that incredible? I actually like this more than I expected to. I thought Cushman, I'll just flip it or sell it. But it's such a blast to put down the road on. And it'll do over 50 miles an hour.
50?
54 is the rated speed on it.
Wow.
Yeah, isn't that incredible?
That's crazy.
All right.
Let's check out the barn.
Yeah, let's see what's in the barn.
All right.
We got Dennis here with the Crack Cat. He does our headlights and windshield chips and everything.
Oh, very cool.
Yeah, let's check out this Audi A8. You're familiar with these, kind of?
Yeah.
We had the S6,
Mm-hmm.
but the A8s are really cool, and Dennis makes those headlights look like new when he's done.
Like brand new. Very cool.
Yeah, but check this car out here. We had that A7 and we just sold it and made this our driver, the A8, because it's, we both are gravitating more towards those cushy rides, aren't we?
Yeah, I like the cushy rides.
Yeah. So this is one here. So he works on it here. And then this is kind of just storage. That truck just sold on Bring a Trailer. There's the truck, David.
There it is.
There it is, the one that you've done so much wonderful work on, and it's just turnkey, and it's ready to go to San Antonio, Texas. A guy has a ranch down there.
Oh, wow.
And it's a great story. His dad wanted one brand new, and his wife wouldn't let him get one.
Oh, wow.
And now, how many years later, they basically found the truck that he wanted brand new, and it's going to go live its life in Texas, a pampered life. So I'm really happy. I wanted it to go to the right home, and it is going to the right home.
It'll definitely fit in Texas. It looks like a Texas truck.
It surely does. And then here's this is some of my own personal stuff here that I've had for a long time. This is an all-track turbo Celica, a very rare car. That was my race car for years and years. Yeah. And it's a 91 turbo all-track. And it runs. I just got to I don't race it anymore, so I want to put it back to street use, And I was going to take all the stickers off, but now it's kind of so old and so cool. It's like, you know what? I'm just going to, that's a piece of EuroAsian history. Right. And, me and my silly little motorcycles here, I rode that to your shop.
Yeah,
remember?
You rode that for like 30 miles.
Yeah, I rode it to your shop. You had the truck there.
Yeah.
And I rode it there, threw it in the bed of the truck, and drove the truck back.
Hey, whatever works.
Yeah, here's my AMG Mercedes 82. It's been sitting a long time. I had this car for over 25 years, almost 30 years. It's a real AMG. Wow. And it needs some redoing on it. But so we kind of got it sitting here. One of these days when I can afford to restore it, it's going to be one of those projects. But that's a special car. Yeah. It's a true AMG. I'm the second owner of it.
It'd be tough to find another one.
Oh yeah, you won't. And those pre-Mercedes merging AMGs, they have absolutely taken off.
Yeah.
But it's not really about the value. It's about, you know, the personal connection with that car. Here's another 944 cab project.
Oh, a project cab, huh?
Yeah, a little project one. I've had that one. It actually runs and drives great. I got a parts car in, so now I got a top and so on and so forth. I was going to fix this one up and paint it, but when I found that black one, I'm like, well, I'm just gonna flip that one and keep the black one to drive. Okay. They're so much fun.
We just seen this one in the shop, didn't we?
Yes.
Yep.
Yes. Yeah, you did the motor mounts and the transmission.
That's
mount.
right. Yeah.
And now it's that's kind of a driver's status. It's one that I kind of have my tag on, and usually actually it's at the house.
Yeah.
It's usually not even here. That was actually one of my dream cars. Like back when this came out, it actually wasn't my dream car. And this is the first one I've had. And I was lucky to find such a nice example.
Yeah, it's a very sweet car. It's very fast too.
Yes, it is. It's really just, I like this era of AMG Mercedes because I think they're well built, but they're still comfortable to drive.
Yeah, they are. They're comfortable and fast.
Yeah, they're comfortable and fast, and then they don't get that, everything gets hard and too sporty after these cars, right?
Right.
Well, I think that's almost everything. What did you see? Have you noticed anything that's caught your eye?
Let's head back over here.
Yeah,
what's the story on this little guy?
This guy, a Nissan Leaf?
Yep.
Actually, I just took it in on trade. I just got it. You see it's just sitting here parked. I just got it in.
This thing's full electric, isn't it?
Yes, it is a fully electric car.
I've actually kind of been craving one of these.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, well, I just got it pulled in. Open the door and see what you think of it.
Oh, you just happen to have the key, huh?
Yeah, well, I just got it. You don't even have it parked yet.
Okay. Take a look at it here.
Nissan Leaf for the Wizard, huh?
What year is this?
It's a 2013.
It looks almost new.
Yeah, it's in really, really good shape. Yeah, that's the reason, I traded it in, Actually, it was an interesting one. I sold it to a customer, and they really like it, but they wanted to go back to a manual transmission. So it's a good customer that always looks at my website. And I had a little Civic Si stick sedan that I just got in, which are kind of unusual. And so she actually bought this from me, but then I let her trade it back in on the Civic. So I just got it traded back.
Sweet. Well, I guess you can't start it up and hear it run. They don't. There's no such thing as that on the EV.
Yeah. Not much to do as far as kicking the tires and listening to the motor, but no, it runs and drives fantastic.
You know what, of all the cars we looked at today, such cool cars, I think I'm going to go home in this one.
Really?
I think I want this one.
The Nissan Leaf.
You just got it in, don't worry about cleaning it, don't worry about messing with it. I think I'll just take it.
You want the Leaf?
Yeah.
Well, I mean, I tell you, it's a great car, and obviously, you always treat me so well, so I'll let you have it for my trade-in cost if you want the car.
It sounds good to me.
Well, wow. Well, thank you very much.
All right.
Well, I guess you got a full electric now.
Sounds good.
Cool.
Let's go ahead and do the paperwork.
Okay, come on in. All right, so I get to do what you do to get to me, right?
Yeah.
The bill.
Oh.
The bill. And then let's see if I can do the wizard laugh.
I suppose.
All right, sign your life away. Thank you, sir. I appreciate your business.
All righty. I just bought an EV, guys. Hopefully it can make it home. I don't know anything about the range. What is it, 50, 60 miles on those?
New on it is around 60, and with the mileage and stuff, I think it's probably in the high 40s now.
We should make it home.
Yeah, but we checked the charge on it when it came in and everything, so it's charged up and ready to go.
I've got some plans for this thing, guys.
Uh-oh.
Has some pretty bulbous appendixes. What do you call these, appenditures?
Yeah. Cadillacs, the Dagmars kind of.
Yeah.
Has boobs.
I just experienced range anxiety, Tyler.
Ooh, yes.
I barely made it back. It was counting the miles down 10, 9, 8, and I got to a point where it was just dashed lines.
Really?
I was wondering if I'm going to have to call Dennis from Skeeter Towing to have me picked up here.
Full range on these back when they were new was it even 100 miles or a little more than that?
Like 75, 80.
God, so what's it at now?
When I first got into it, it was at 29 miles.
So
it was a little undercharged. It could have been charged a little bit more, but I made it.
So you're going to turn into the EV wizard?
Yes. We've got some plans for this car. You're going to have to watch the next video to see what we're going to do. But I'm going to do some things to solve its very small, no, not that, guys. Don't think dirty thoughts. It's small range. Are you hooking it up for me?
Yeah, well, people say
it beeps.
Hummers are for people with small things. I don't think Leaf guys are really worried about
how
they look.
Oh look, it's got a charge indicator on the windshield.
Neat.
I guess.
Like a phone.
It kind of is like a driving phone. So we got many more cool videos to come on this thing. You guys got to check out EuroAsian Bob's selection.
Your nation.
Right. So if you're curious what kind of tools we're going to use to work on this, because we're going to do some work to this thing, check my Amazon affiliates link in the description below. If you haven't hit the subscribe button already, make sure you do now so you don't miss out on some of this Dagmar action. Thanks for watching.
Oh, walk off. Sorry. Sorry.